The nice people at Bamboo Abode gifted us this charcuterie board.
A gift-appropriate box, solid and sturdy, with a picture of the product right on front. A welcome note from the manufacturer, and a pamphlet with recipes.
And this is important for a guy like me. Now, I want to do a special night for my wife, make her a charcuterie, maybe get a glass of wine or two out. I may not know how to put together a charcuterie platter, so look at that. If nothing else, I can just copy that.
Quality utensils, 2 spoons, a fork, and a spreading knife. It also comes with 2 bowls like this.
I like the size of this board. Okay, so let's put some things up to it in perspective so you can see. This will be a good board for 2, maybe 3 people. You know what I like about this size is it's portable. It's not so big that I can't throw it in a cooler to take it down to the beach or the park or someplace like that. So I do like how that will be mobile. I do like the handle on the end. It's a good leather handle. We can hang it in the kitchen. It's very, very smooth. I like that because that's going to make it a lot easier to clean. I have seen charcuterie boards that have little indentations and designs in them that I don't like because the cheese and the crackers and the breadcrumbs get stuck in there, and I don't like that. And it's hard to clean. Not with this. This already I'm seeing is going to be a nice gift. I can picture somebody opening this and being excited about it. It's a beautiful day for a charcuterie picnic. I'm going to make my wife a sweet charcuterie. A shout out to Sam and Leah, the best friends and business partners that run the company that bring us these charcuterie boards. I anticipate this board will bring a lot of joy, whether it's a picnic, a park, a winery, or someplace at the beach. I highly recommend it.